Open Canva and click on the social media format. Now select YouTube thumbnail, as shown on the screen. Let's start with the background color. I'm choosing black for this design, but you can choose any color that matches your content. Now let's add the main part of the thumbnail, the text captions. I created 2 separate text boxes, so I can place them differently and use different fonts for each one. Now choose a font that you like. I'll use one of Canva's font combinations. I want the word secret to stand out, so I'm adding a box shape behind it to highlight it. Now let's add some extra elements to help convey the message of the video. Next comes the main element of the thumbnail, the character image. I'm also adding a few colorful elements, so the thumbnail catches the viewer's attention quickly. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. Now simply download it and use it for your video.